Hello, photo walkers. A quick little channel update. I just want to thank you for your support of PhotowalksTV. 2023 was the biggest year ever with over 700,000 views compared to 300,000 the year before. So it was a big jump. We've been at this for about 5 years. 2023 was the year, whether that was Japan, Nova Scotia, our trips to San Francisco, all those iPhone and Galaxy smartphone photo tips videos. You really enjoyed many of them, none more so than our trip to Tijuana, which we decided to go there on a lark without a passport or any money in our pocket, and we lived to tell the tale. We were averaging 30 to 40,000 views monthly until the end of the year when we grew to 120,000 in December. Now, granted, there was a lot going on in what is normally a lower view month, but we had the trip to Japan, we had San Francisco, we had Seal Beach. We also had some giant waves in Manhattan Beach, surfing Santa, and the fireworks that in our little town of Manhattan Beach happens in mid-December. So what's up for 2024? Bigger things, I hope. We're going to be going back to Europe. We're going to be going back to Asia again. I'd like to cross more of the United States. We've done 15 of the 50, and I'd like to at least get to maybe 30 by the end of the year. And maybe we could finish everything off the following year. Either way, I'd love to know where you'd like to see PhotowalksTV come. Would you like to travel with me? I am all ears. Just let me know. And who knows? I could end up in your town in 2024. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks again for watching PhotowalksTV and supporting it. If you're not getting the newsletter yet, please subscribe. jeffersongraham.substack.com. I'll look forward to seeing all of you on the next Photo Walk.